welcome to our STEM workshop,
where we're going to be showing you how to use some materials you can find around your home to make play snow. So, some of these items that you need are
a fork, a cup, and baking powder and foam, and we mix it all together in a tub.
So, what we're going to do, you're going to take the tub and you're going to need to do some measuring. So, the first thing we're going to measure is
the foam.
Well done. Okay, so first you need to shake up the foam so that it's really, really, really frothy, because that's going to give a good texture to our snow. It must be shaved foam, not gel, because the gel doesn't work. It must be the foam. So you squirt the foam into your cup and you're going to measure 1 cup of shaving foam. So squirt it all in and it needs to be full. Probably a bit more there, love.
Okay.
Good. Yeah, maybe a bit more. Fantastic, well done. And then you simply just pop it into your tub. Good job. Do you think we need to scrape it out with a fork?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all on my hand.
That's all right, not a problem. You're going to get it all on your hands in a minute anyway. Okay. So scrape it all out into your tub. It's getting messy already. Fantastic. And then, once you've got your shaving foam in, you need to put some baking powder and a cup. If you want to make more snow, just double up the quantities. It's just a 1-to-1 ratio. So 1 cup of foam to 1 cup of baking powder. Do you want to pour that into the cup and measure 1 cup? Ooh, messy, messy. Fantastic. Well done. And then you pour it in bit by bit, and as you add the baking powder, you mix it using the fork. You can. And then you simply mix and mix until it creates a crumbly snow-like texture. Now you might need to use a bit of trial and error here, because it might be a bit too wet and stick to all your hands, in which case you need to add a bit more of the baking powder. Or it might be a bit too dry and just crumble apart, so you need to add more shaving foam. And just keep adding whatever ingredient you need to get a texture that doesn't stick to your hands, but it sticks together to make a ball. Once you can make a ball with it, it's perfect. So you're going to mix and mix and mix. Wow, sticky, sticky. So we'll leave you there. Have a really great time making snow, just using some things you can find around your home. Please do let us know how you get on, and look out for more of these tutorials on Christmas themed STEM activities. Have a fantastic time exploring Christmassy STEM.